Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone speaker crackling sound issue on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, check if your iPhone case is not covering the speaker grill, and if it's covering the speaker grill, then remove the iPhone case. So the second solution is, I will prefer you to use always listen to high bitrate audio on your iPhone, and if these solutions are not working, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software updates and check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. If your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. And after updating the iPhone to latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone. So after restarting the iPhone, your problem will be fixed, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.